Hi, this is Linda Nairn with Traveling Flamingo. There are so many different cruise lines and each have their own personality. We want to help you decide if Carnival Cruise Line is the right cruise line for you and help you prepare for your upcoming sailing. So all that and more coming right up. Before we sailed with Carnival, we had heard a lot, and to be honest, most of it wasn't positive. So we want to go through what you can expect and how you can make your cruise fabulous. We've broken up this video into 6 categories to help you plan for your Carnival cruise. We're going to go over their fleet, dining, drinks, entertainment, staterooms, and some Carnival specific notes. So let's get started with some facts about Carnival Cruise's fleet. There are currently 25 ships and another one joining the fleet next year. Carnival Cruise Line is part of the Carnival Corporation, and it's the largest cruise line in their group. There are 9 different classes of ships, ranging from the smallest, the Carnival Elation, at almost 72,000 gross tons and a passenger capacity of 2,190, to the largest Carnival Celebration at over 183,000 gross tons and 5,374 passenger capacity at double occupancy. Most of their cruise ships are not as big as the massive ones that Royal Caribbean and NCL have. Right now, they only have 2 ships that are in the top 50 largest cruise ships, but they are known for fun and offering affordable cruises. You'll find a variety of dining options from buffet-style feasts to specialty restaurants offering some great cuisine. Many are included, but there are also some specialty restaurants at an additional cost. Every Carnival cruise ship has a buffet and 2 main dining rooms. In the main dining rooms, you'll choose either traditional dining when you have a set dining time or your time dining. If you want a set dining time, there's the early at 5:30 or the later one at 7:45 for a seating option. We chose your time, and we were really impressed with how smooth the your time dining was with the check-in anywhere on the cruise using the app. You get a notification when your table is ready and you can head right to the dining room. It was great. You could be getting ready in your stateroom, relaxing on a lounger, or enjoying the sunset views on the Lido deck and check in for your dinner, and it helped avoid the large waits and crowds around the main dining room. The dining room looks very similar to other cruise lines, but Carnival didn't leave the fun out of dinner, and during the meal there is a dance party. You can join in or just sit back and watch. Some of our favorite meals were the quick service options. We found this food came out fresh and hot. Some of the options include Guy's Burger Joint, the Blue Iguana, Big Chicken, Lucky Bowls, Street Eats, and Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue. The options will depend on which ship you're on, but one thing for sure is that there is no shortage of food options. If you are interested in elevating your dining experience, there are a variety of specialty restaurants you can try. These do cost extra, and the price can range from $15 to $50 per person. Some of the options include Rudy's Sea Grill, where there's some delicious seafood. Fahrenheit 555 has all your steakhouse needs, and Bonsai Teppanyaki, to name a few. We did find the quality of food and service was a lot better at specialty restaurants compared to the main dining room. I think in the main dining room, the servers are stretched really thin. They try so hard, but it just isn't as good as the specialty restaurants. If you want to know more about some of these restaurants, ports, or anything cruising, check out our channel as we've got tons of videos to help you plan your trip. So when this video is done, check out our channel. Thanks so much for the support. A helpful tip when sailing with Carnival Cruises is to pre-book dining options. Specialty restaurants tend to fill up quickly, and you may not get the day or the time that you want. So securing your spots in advance will ensure you don't miss out on anything. An area we get asked a lot of questions is around drinks and packages and what you can bring on board. When on board, the minimum drinking age is 21 years old to purchase or consume alcohol. If you want to bring some beverages on board, it cannot be packaged in glass or plastic bottles. On embarkation day, you're allowed to bring up to a maximum of 12-ounce sealed cans or cartons of non-alcoholic drinks on board per person. So this could be sparkling water, pop, juice, milk, and so on. I was surprised at how many people had cases of pop on embarkation day. But if you are a diehard Coca-Cola fan and Coke products, then I understand because Carnival Cruises serves only Pepsi products. You're also allowed to bring a small amount of alcohol on board, but there are some restrictions. On embarkation day, if you're 21 and older, you can have 1 bottle of unopened wine or champagne per person in your carry-on luggage. Outside of this, you're not allowed to bring on any types of liquor or beer. This means in your carry-on or checked luggage. If you do purchase alcohol at a port or at a fun shop on board, it will be stored until the end of the cruise when you can collect it at disembarkation. We couldn't talk about drinks without mentioning Carnival Cruise's drink packages. These have become increasingly popular amongst different cruise lines. Carnival keeps it pretty simple with 2 packages, Bottomless Bubbles and Cheers. The Bottomless Bubbles allow you to enjoy all the pop and juice you want on your cruise. Aaron loves these sodas packages. As we don't drink after his surgeries, it's nice to enjoy a cold pop when relaxing by the pool. This program is also reasonably priced at $9.50 per adult per day, and for the kids it's $6.95 per day. The Cheers program is the all-inclusive drink package that includes all spirits, beers, and wines by the glass, which cost $20 or less. It also includes soda, mocktails, specialty coffees, and bottled water. To purchase the package, you need to be 21 years and older, and it will be added to everyone in the stateroom who is over 21. So this means that not only one person can get it in the stateroom. If there are multiple people traveling together and you're over 21, you're all going to need to get it. That may be a factor for you choosing the package or not, as it does cost $59.95 US per person per day. But we do know there are many people who love the drink packages so they don't get a surprise bill at the end of their trip. So that's it for drinks. Let's move into entertainment on board a Carnival Cruise. You can expect Broadway-style shows to comedy clubs, live music, and epic dance parties. You can even enjoy catching movies under the stars or try your luck at the casino on board. We loved watching The Family Feud. This was super popular. We definitely recommend showing up early to get a seat. We were there 30 minutes early and there was already a big line. We did find, considering the size of the ship, that the theater could be bigger to accommodate more guests. The center stage is also very cool on the Carnival Mardi Gras and Celebration, with screens that move so you can enjoy the views during the day, and then it creates a really immersive atmosphere in the evening. There's also a lot of different activities to get involved in. We did a Harry Potter trivia and that was a lot of fun. So if you want to just relax and listen to some music in a lounge, watch some live entertainment, or participate in games, it's all up to you how you want to have fun. Now, I know there are a lot of people looking for a little bit more extreme fun, and we're going to head to the top deck for that. This is where you can find a bunch of family-friendly attractions, and most of them are free. Included, you can find water slides, mini putt, a sports court, a ropes course, and other activities around the track. I can't believe my sister and I did the ropes course. Neither of us love heights, but it was fun and hilarious. Something Carnival Cruise is bringing to their newest ships is the Bolt roller coaster. Yes, a legit roller coaster at sea. This does cost extra, but it is a ton of fun. We have a full video about the Bolt if you want to know more. If you're looking for an adult-only experience, there is this Serenity Retreat, which is included in your cruise fare and has padded loungers, hot tubs, and a bar. There are also programs just for kids. Camp Ocean offers programs and activities for kids from 2 to 11 years old. The rooms are based on their age and activities are age appropriate. There's also Circle C, which is for teens from 12 to 14, and Clobo 2 for kids from 12 to 17. We met some people whose kids really loved the program and got to meet some new friends. We do recommend checking it out on the first day of your cruise so you can meet the staff and your kids can hear about what's being offered and decide if there's anything they want to participate in. If, as an adult, you're looking for a little bit of late night fun, Carnival does offer Night Owls from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m., and it's a slumber party with movies, snacks, and toys. This is an additional charge of $7.50 per hour, plus an 18% service charge per kid. So know that it's there, but it's going to cost you. One thing people love about Carnival is how affordable it is. And to keep it affordable, for a long time they didn't offer a large range of staterooms. But this is starting to change on their newer ships. The cabins are comfortable and well appointed with all the necessities. They range from comfy interior to luxurious suites. Some features you can expect in all the rooms are a TV, phone, safe, 2 twin beds, climate control, a hair dryer, 24-hour room service, pool towels, and you can request bathrobes. We also find there are not enough power outlets, and we bring a multi-port charger that really helps us keep everything charged. Something new Carnival Cruise has introduced is the Havana cabins, which really surprised us. We have a video about those too, but we really enjoyed our time there. So some Carnival specific notes: whether you're dreaming of Caribbean turquoise waters, cruising through the Alaskan fjords, or enjoying some sun in Mexico, Carnival has a ton of itineraries to choose from. This also helps them be able to keep them very affordable. When it comes to packing, we have a few things we don't travel without. We like to have power packs for the long days to keep us charged up, sun protection like sunscreen, hats, swimsuits, comfortable shoes. I also like using packing cubes to organize my clothes. We make sure we have our toiletries, any medications, and any travel documents. Of course, also make sure you bring your sense of adventure to try anything new. In terms of dress code, on many nights it's cruise casual, and according to Carnival's website, for men that means long dress shorts or pants, jeans are allowed, and a collared shirt. For women it's the same, plus sundresses and capri pants are allowed. We found them to be pretty flexible in terms of the dress code, but there was one night we were at Rudy's Sea Grill and men were coming in and they were wearing shorts, and they were actually not allowed to dine inside, and their group had to sit outside, or they could go back and change from shorts to long pants. So we didn't see this in the main dining room, but for some reason it was happening at Rudy's Sea Grill, so make sure you check those dress codes. For the cruise elegant evenings, you have the opportunity to step it up a bit and bring a more formal outfit. We saw a range from people wearing ball gowns to just nice pants and a polo shirt. So it's up to you how formal you want to go, or if you want to dine somewhere other than a table service restaurant that night. So keep that in mind when packing. We also need to talk a bit more about the Carnival Hub app. This was by far the best cruise app I've used in a long time. You'll want to download it before you leave home, and then on board you can check out the activities that are happening, booking activities, check in for dining. We were so impressed at that, checking in for dining anywhere on board. The app is free, but if you want to chat with other passengers, there is a small fee of $5 per person. We have seen a lot of cruise lines changing up how they're doing the disembarkation, and Carnival's was new to us. Instead of being given a disembarkation time based on your flights, you can go get tags from guest services and around the ship. You can choose what time you want to get off. The tags are first come, first serve, so don't wait too long to decide what time you want to get off. We found it was pretty organized and the lines weren't too bad. The longest line we had was actually customs. Like with most cruise lines, Carnival Cruises does also have a loyalty program called VIFB, or Very Important Fun Person Program. The idea is that the more you sail, the more benefits you get, like free upgrades, complimentary drinks, free laundry, and more. So keep that in mind if you do want to consider sailing with Carnival Cruises more. So just some overall thoughts. Before we sailed with Carnival, we had heard a lot about it, and about it being a party ship and fighting, but that's not what we experienced at all. There's so much to see and do that you can really make your vacation whatever you want. If you want to relax or shop or join in on the party, you can do it. We were really impressed with the amount of dining options and the quality. With the range of sailings being offered from shorter to longer cruises, they're also able to offer a lot of different affordable trips. So what do you think of Carnival Cruises? Have you sailed with them before? Do you have a favorite activity that you like to participate in? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and opinions and being part of this community. Also, if you're interested in some more of our content, we have another channel, Flamingos in Wonderland, where we talk about all things Disney and theme parks. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.